Hey, I'm Tutorial Phil. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Tiffany and Schlumberger unboxing for you. This one I got a few weeks after the first Schlumberger purchase, which I have the unboxing detail and try on video on my channel. If you haven't checked that out already, I'll link it in this video. This piece is smaller and it comes in a square box like this. And here is the receipt for it. And then here is the other box for it. I'm gonna put it on this so it has a little bit of contrast. And this item is a ring. This is the 16 stone ring, although this one is actually a size 9. For their size 8.5 and above, it's actually an 18 stone ring. The most common name of this is the 16 stone ring because I think most people will be sized for that. But this one, I have it fit my index and middle finger, so it's actually a size 9. And size 8.5 to 11, they are 18 stone rings. Here is a closer look at the ring. The design features an X in between pairs of diamonds. Being that this is a 18 stone ring, there are 9 pairs. They make a few versions of these. They have ones that are all diamonds like this one, but they also make them alternating between diamonds and blue sapphires, diamonds and I think pink tourmalines or pink sapphires, rubies, as well as emerald. So they're always a diamond for one of them, and then the other is a different color. The metal also comes in different colors, but I think when you add the colored stones, they may only come in yellow gold. This one is mixed, so with the lighting you may not be able to see as clearly, but the X's are 18 karat yellow gold, while the base ring itself is platinum. You can kind of see it here when the X goes over the main ring. You can see the yellow, which are the X's, and then over the silver platinum. And then on the inside, it has the Tiffany and Schlumberger marking, the PT950, which is for the platinum, as well as the AU750 for the 18 karat yellow gold. And the design is a consistent all the way around. A little detail that you would notice is that the way the X's are made, the direction that goes over on the top actually alternates. So from here, it's left to right is on top. On the next one, it's the right to left that is on top. I think that's a really cool detail and really something you have to pay attention to in order to design something like this, because most people would never notice, and that just speaks to the quality of the Schlumberger pieces. They're definitely really amazing. This is one of their most classic pieces, one of their most popular pieces for a ring. The 16 stone version, which is the more common one, in this material, the yellow gold and platinum, is 9,400. When you size up though, so for this one it's the 18 stone ring, the price does actually increase. It's 9,800. It's not as much as you would think for adding 2 stones and an additional yellow gold cross. So I think for this one, Tiffany's really just offsetting pretty much their raw material cost. So this one is sized to fit my index finger and my ring finger, or my middle finger as well. With all these diamonds like Tiffany's, I think they're all super ideal cut. They definitely sparkle under spotlighting. So I'm using studio lighting right now, so the lighting is diffused, therefore you're not getting those sparkles from the diamond. I believe the total carat weight of this is around 1.3. So you have 18 stones and you divide that you divide 1.3 by 18 stones, and each of them are slightly under 0.1 carats. I think they're 0.08 carats, each of the diamonds. And it kind of looks like a crown. Schlumberger is known for having nature motifs in his designs, and this does kind of remind me of, even though it's just an X, it kind of reminds me of leaves that are placed as a cross And then this like laurel crown, that's what it reminds me of. This piece, I think most Tiffany stores, as long as they're not a small pop-up, they will have these because it is one of their more popular Schlumberger pieces, unlike the other one that I unboxed, which I think is only in flagship stores. This one you can probably check out. It's probably near the back though, because this is a pretty iconic piece. It's not one of their new collections. If you think you're interested in these, I would definitely recommend that you go see this in person. It's definitely much different. And then now I'm going to try to show you a little bit more close-up details. And this is just part of the receipt. It had to be shipped into the store because they don't normally stock these large sizes, so it was shipped in from the warehouse. So you can see here it's a platinum and 18 karat gold 18 stone diamond ring in size 9, and it's $9,800 and then plus tax on top of that. And that's my video. Thank you for watching. Check out my other Tiffany videos if you're interested. I do have a few more. And I was thinking of doing a jewelry collection soon as well. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. And check out my Instagram for the latest updates as well as exclusive content. And I hope to see you in my next video.